All right, what's up? Going to iron on, iron on a couple of patches. Got this one from Tennessee. Got this one online from a Subaru website or whatever. So you can see where I had it before, but I thought it was a little bit too far to the left. And obviously there's an indentation here. So I was thinking, okay, what if I just put one patch here and then use the Subaru patch right next to it, kind of have them centered, but aligned horizontally with the pocket right here. And yeah, I think that'll look okay. So first of all, you can tell it's not the first time I've tried to put this thing on something. I tried stitching it on at first and that didn't go too well. And yeah, I got the whole sewing kit and all that stuff, but yeah, it wasn't happening. I thought it would be a lot more simple than it ended up being. So yeah, it's a little bit messy, but it's okay. It's still it adds what do you call it? It adds a bit of age to it, a bit of a patina, we'll call it. So I'm just going to try to clean this up a little bit. I'm no textile expert, no clothing expert, no kind of yeah, I'm not. That's not my specialty. But in my earlier years, I sound so old saying that, I did do a bit of arts and crafts, we'll call it. These don't have the adhesive. At least this one might have the adhesive on it already. Because on the back of this one, well, obviously you can see where okay, so the pieces of paper back here are adhesive sheets. And yeah, you can just do whatever. But this, I believe, already has the adhesive on it. So I may just be able to iron that one on. I mean, no real risk of just testing it. So I mean, what I can do is grab one of these sheets out. Grab one of these sheets out, cut about the size of the patch right there, and I can at least test if it has the adhesive on it. Like I said, no expert in patches or textiles, so I'm kind of just doing this as any normal person would who's done this maybe once or twice in their whole life. I did the Subaru patches on my tan and my black jackets, and it looks really, really good, so really happy with those. So that's the adhesive right here, and then here's the paper. So I'm going to throw this to the side. I'm going to put the paper over this. Didn't, in fact, like cover it all the way, but I mean, it should be fine. Let's go ahead and put the Subaru one next to it. The Subaru one, I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to put more adhesive on. But the circle one, depending on how this goes, let me just make sure I get it lined up how I like it. Yeah, we'll just see how it goes. So let's go ahead and throw this on top. Not full coverage, but should be fine. We'll just leave it there for a second. See if it sticks. I don't know how long it's supposed to keep it on here like this. I just put it on there for a bit. I think there's instructions that came in the packet over there, but as a matter of fact, let me see if they are still in there. I think it's like 30 seconds or something. Adhesive sheets, new, fusible, whatever. I don't think it... Okay, let's just do the safe thing and just do it with the adhesive anyway. That sounds like the right thing to do. So, I mean, doing that right there, let me grab a pen. Should have a pen right here. Yeah, I got it right here. Pen, outline it, go from there. Then Subaru badge. Make sure y'all can see everything I'm doing okay. My hand's kind of in the way, but I'm just tracing it out. Super simple. All right, cool. Got our outlines. Now we cut. This is not the best scissor, but we will make do. This is really not the best scissor. It's like probably got dirty from me cutting adhesive. So I should trim inside the line. I'm not going to try to be like super perfect with it. It really won't matter too much. But I do want the circle to be kind of I want the cut line to be inside the line a little bit. Man, the scissors giving me issues right now. Gotta cut it like, I gotta chip it at a time. Yeah, I did all the live streaming stuff for a little bit. I think I'm gonna get back into making normal videos. I'm gonna cut this edge just a little bit more just to make sure I get it small enough. Make sure there's no like branches poking out of there. And I think that will work perfect. Put that to the side. Now for the Subaru logo. Really enjoyed the streaming too. I was doing randomizers and stuff, and it's my first time modding games like that on PC, and it was a lot of fun. I'll definitely do it here or there and then and now. I mean, it was surprisingly receptive too. I don't think the algorithm likes it that I do the live streams, but I mean, people got in there and chatted. It's pretty cool. But a lot of my channel, although I want to say that I have no real genre or theme, I kind of do what I want to do. At the end of the day, I just want to teach people something. Teach people how to do something and not be all flashy and not just be a walk-in advertisement for whatever company it may be. That should be fine. Make sure we're good here. It's not too big of a patch. It's slightly large. I'll cut all the edges just a little bit. And it's like I got a career too. I don't do this for a living at all, even though I've made more money than I thought I would ever make off of a video platform in the last year and a half, thanks to a certain brand with the Y in it. I mean, for the most part. I mean, before that, I was just uploading coffee videos, and I need to upload more of those because I make coffee like every single day, so. All right, that should be near perfect. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so after this, you just gotta feel out the adhesive side, and then iron on the patch that way. So let's see. I'm just gonna peel off some paper. Just gonna peel it off of this sheet right here. This is why I got the tweezers with me. Makes this a lot easier. All right, adhesive over there so I don't like make any more indentations and prints on the jacket itself. Thing should be hot. And basically I'm adhering it to the oh wow. Just making sure I didn't touch the jacket too much. I'm adhering it to the patch, then peeling off the back, and then adhering it to the jacket itself. I'll just leave that there for a second. Try to get away from the zippers a little bit. I think like 30 seconds you're supposed to wait or something. I mean, you'll probably correct me in the comments, but I'm gonna wait about 30 seconds. All right. Uh-oh. Get off of there. All right, so that should stick. Now I'll do the same thing with the circle. So that's the adhesive side. I'm gonna put you right there. Looking like really good coverage, and make sure that edge right there is good. Should be fine. 2, 3. All right, it's about 30 seconds. looking pretty good. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go through each and just give it a lot of pressure. Make sure I get the wrinkles. Looking pretty good there. Last press. Or pre-press, whatever you want to call this step. Get off. All right. Now, got both of them adhered to the paper. Now we adhere it to the jackets. Fun parts. Make sure no bits of paper are on there. And let's see, how do I want to align this again? I'm going to align this with the top of the zipper. And I'm going to align you to just the center point of this right here. So that's how we'll do it. Yeah, just like that. We'll go ahead and start with the Subaru. And I like how versatile these patches have been. I mean, this is probably my third time adhering the same patch to something. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing here, okay? I got the adhesive and not the paper there, interesting. Yeah, it's sticking. This part's pretty tedious. Come on. I think we're just about there here. Yeah, we got it. Just being annoying. Oh, I don't want to bend it. Gotta be careful with that. Can I move in closer for y'all? Hopefully you'll see this okay. Maybe I should have got it more of a corner. I was just getting a good bite here. There we go. Got it. Just gonna pop it right there. That looks pretty level to me. Plop it right there. Get the paper and lay the heat on it. 2, 3. 30. All right, and looking like a bit of lift right there. Did that one for 20 seconds. And I'm just gonna let that be. Up next, peel off the back for the rounded badge over here. This one should be pretty fair game wherever I want to peel it off from. And when I was removing the other badge, like, it was really hard to remove it. I actually struggled to remove it, so this adhesive is the real deal. I'll put you right next to it. Make sure you're leveled. Right there should be fine. I'll move you a little bit closer. Maybe a little bit lower. Okay, I'm happy with that. Yeah, let's lay on the heat. Maybe a little bit more this way. All right, pretty fast 30 seconds there. I will lay down another 20 seconds. All right. I think we're good to go. Of course, I'm a little bit OCD, so I will. Oh, that's water. A little bit OCD, so I'll put down just a little bit more. 1, 2. Really heavy pressure here. Move around just a little bit. Probably not supposed to move it around, but I'm going to move it around. And okay, we should be good. I will take this off the table tomorrow after I wake up. They say leave it on there for 24 hours, but I mean, I've tested it out the same night and didn't really have any issues, put on the coat rack and everything. But I'll just leave it here for until morning and yeah, see what it's like. But it's looking really good. I'll take it off the tripod. And yeah, I mean, you can kind of see where the line is, but it's no normal person is going to notice that. But yeah, not too bad. Probably put 2 more under it over time. Yeah, I'm liking this. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, if any updates come about it, I'll post it in the next clip. But if not, this would be the end of the video. All right. Goodbye.